Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Marakkar. We will explore their distinct functionalities and how each serves a unique role in daily life. Excel is a robust software for data management and calculations, while Marakkar is a cinematic experience designed for storytelling and enjoyment. Understanding their core differences helps appreciate their individual value. When it comes to functionality, Excel excels at processing numbers and organizing information. It's indispensable for tasks like budgeting, creating charts, and managing large datasets. Marakkar, on the other hand, provides a rich, immersive story. Its purpose is to transport viewers to another time and place, offering a blend of history and drama. Considering accessibility and cost, Excel typically requires a paid license, often as part of a Microsoft Office suite. It's a professional tool with a corresponding investment. Marakkar, as a film, was initially a theatrical release, then moved to streaming services. Its cost is usually a one-time rental, purchase, or included in a subscription. The impact and user experience differ greatly. Excel empowers users to analyze, predict, and manage information, directly influencing productivity and strategic planning. Marakkar aims to entertain and evoke emotions, leaving a lasting impression through its narrative and artistic presentation. Both offer unique value, just in very different domains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.